Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Sneezing protects your body by clearing irritants from the nose and throat. Here's how sneezing works. An irritant, like dust or pollen, enters your nose. Your body sends signals to your brain. Your brain prepares to sneeze, and you inhale deeply to expel the irritant. Your chest muscles tighten, building pressure in your lungs. Finally, a burst of air releases the sneeze. Sneezing removes unwanted particles and keeps your airways healthy. For example, sneezing in a dusty room clears discomfort. In summary, sneezing effectively protects against irritants. Next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body working hard. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for fun science facts.